Shenzhen Xinhuang Communication Equipment Company Limited, established in 2008 and has 17 years of experience to date. It's a national high-tech enterprise, a national science and technology enterprise, a provincial innovative enterprise. Our affiliated factory has obtained ISO 9001 Quality Management System certifications. As a high-tech enterprise specializing in the production of built-in phones, batteries adopts industry-advanced technology to increase capacity by 30% compared to the original battery. High-tech enterprise integrating R&D, production and sales, and providing one-stop OEM, ODM, customized services for global customers. Our products are exported to multiple countries and regions, including Europe, America, Asia and Africa, etc. Our batteries pass the CCC, CE, FCC, RoHS, PSE, ULUN 38.3 IC, E62133, and other international certification. Our factory has introduced fully automated production lines and precision equipment to ensure the sustainable development of the company and the continuous technological progress of batteries. We have highly professional R&D and design teams. We fast R&D latest model battery. Monthly production capacity of more than 500,000 pieces and have strong fast delivery capabilities and after-sales service warranty. We have highly professional R&D and design teams continuously driving innovation in battery technology. As a professional phone battery manufacturer in China, Xinhuang Communication adheres to the strategy of honesty first, based on the world, striving to earn customer trust with premium quality and reliable after-sales service.